Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about functional living room ideas to help you create a space that looks great, but also functions to your needs. Whether you have a small space or large, these ideas are going to help you maximize your square footage. I'm Nikki D, and I'm your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor that's going to make your home look like you hired a designer. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get right into it. This video is sponsored in part by Expand Furniture. In small living rooms, it's important to maximize space and make every inch count. Multifunctional furniture is a great way to do just that. Things like ottomans with hidden storage or a coffee table that doubles as a desk will make your room feel clutter-free and meet your lifestyle needs. In our home, we found that we were not using the dining table. It was a catch-all for my family as they came in and out of the house. So we decided to change it to a sitting room and eliminate the dining room table. We usually eat at the kitchen island, but there's something to be said about the intimacy of a dining table. We definitely don't need it for everyday use, but having one for special occasions is great. So when Expand Furniture reached out for a partnership with their multi-purpose furniture, we jumped at the opportunity to collaborate. We chose the glass box coffee table that can transform into a table to seat up to 10 people comfortably. It has 3 extensions that store right inside the coffee table. It has hidden wheels, so it's easy to move, and there's a lever at the side to make it easy to change the height depending on your needs. When you want it as a dining table, you just push it open, take out the extensions, and they slide into place. There's a lever underneath that will lock it from moving. Depending on the amount of people you have, you can use 1, 2, or 3 extensions. We also have 10 folding chairs that are stored in the closet, and we just pull those out as needed. This Christmas, we raised it up to table height and used it as a game table to play Monopoly. There's a link in the description to the blog post with more details and our experience with Expand Furniture. Another tip for functional living rooms is to create designated work areas. If your living room is used to relax and work, you'll want to define the areas for each purpose. This can be done with things like area rugs, lighting, and your furniture placement. Having separate zones makes it easy to switch from one task to another, and your space won't feel cramped or disorganized. When we were deciding on the piece from Expand Furniture, we did also look at the console table that turns into a dining table. My thought was we could use it as a desk for every day and then a dining table when company was over, but the pieces do not store inside. So that's ultimately why we went with the coffee table. Expand Furniture also has this cabinet that transforms into a desk, and it's perfect for small spaces. Now let's talk about organization. A cluttered living room will make it hard to relax and unwind. There are many stylish options to keep things neat and out of sight, like bookshelves, baskets, wall-mounted cabinets. Don't forget to declutter and edit your space regularly because we all accumulate things over time. Expand Furniture has this cool bookshelf that extends to a dining table, so for everyday use, it keeps you organized, and then when you entertain, it turns into a table. Your living room lighting is important for creating ambiance and functionality. Mix a chandelier or semi-flush ceiling lighting with wall sconces and a lamp, or even a neon sign for personality, a cozy vibe, and background lighting. Don't forget the dimmer switches because those are going to create atmosphere and control the brightness of your room. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of personal touches. Your living room should reflect your personality and needs. Things like artwork, throw pillows, and decorative accents are going to add a personal touch and make your space feel more inviting. It'll improve the functionality because it's going to be a room that you truly enjoy spending time in. And that, my friends, is a wrap. I hope these functional living room ideas help you create a space that's both stylish and practical. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you get future bell notifications for all things home design inspiration. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Happy designing!